I am a logistics professional with over 10 years of experience in the sector, specializing in supply chain optimization in operational efficiency. My expertise includes end-to-end logistics planning, inventory management, distribution, route optimization, and leading cross-functional teams. I bring an analytical approach to problem solving and a strong commitment to continuous improvement and business profitability. I am deeply motivated by continuous professional growth and the pursuit of a high quality of life that ensures financial stability, personal well-being, and a fulfilling career. Outside of work and enjoy motorizing, which fuels my passion for focus and exploration, has will haze gaming, which sharpens my strategic thinking and problem-solving skill. My plan is to immediately integrate into SAME to optimize your supply chain, reduce operational costs, and implement continuous improvement strategies that guarantee maximum efficiency. My goal is to optimize your logistic operation in the short term while preparing myself professionally to eventually transition into a managerial role within the company. A major success in my life is achieving a healthy work-life balance while consistently hitting my professional goals, which has directly elevated my overall quality of life. I left my last job because I was a student 3 months seasonal contract, which I successfully completed while meeting all my performance goals. In 5 years, I see myself as a fully graduated professional making significant contributions in my field, having achieved personal stability through purchasing my own home and car,